big. I'll pick her up. Madison takes her, whatever.
Go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Walk. Walk.
I never put a gate up. I used to not flight of stairs.
Right.
I never put a gate up. Because he would stand at the top, no lock go. I need help up here. Can someone come get me?
What?
No, she does crawl up the stairs. She's crawled up 2 stairs so far. We've seen her do.
Emma,